Uploading files through the bulk loader into the K-Ready system. Select Administration. On the left, select Bulk Loader. Here you're going to see three tabs: Uploads, Automated, and Templates. You want to get your templates for your teacher, your student, and enrollment files. Now, for time purposes, I went ahead and created the teacher file, the student file, and the enrollment. So here you see the teacher file, and column A and column C need to be formatted for leading zeros. On these particular districts, I don't have a leading zero, so these don't need to be formatted. Fill in column B, which is the teacher ID. This can be their teacher credential ID, which is 2 letters and 7 digits, or it can be the teacher's email address. So for this teacher, I use the email address. We're going to go ahead and make sure you save it in a good place that you can easily find it. I minimize these because once you close the CSV file, it does lose its formatting. So I minimize it until I'm sure that the file has uploaded. Select the green button, Upload File. Select the template type of teacher. And then find that file where you saved it. And then select Upload File. And you will be able to see in the Uploads tab here that my teacher file just went through and I had 1 addition. So next, we're going to do the students. Make sure you find your templates here. And for time purposes, again, I did pull and create a student file. So column A is the district ID, C is the school ID. So again, these might have leading zeros, so make sure you format those correctly. The date of birth column does need to be formatted. So we're going to highlight it, right click, go down to Format Cells, select Custom. I select this first 0 just to go back up and delete it. And then I type in the MM/DD/YYYY. Select OK. And now you're going to see that February is 02 and then the date is 04. So it has those leading zeros there. Make sure you save that. And again, minimize it. I'm going to go back to the K-Ready system and select Upload File. Template type of students. And find exactly where you saved that file. Double click and click Upload. So now you're going to see that in processing status. And just refresh your screen by hitting F5 or on the top, the browser there. And then you're going to see I have 3 additions. The last file we're going to do is the enrollment file, and that is what ties the student to the teacher. Again, for time purposes, I went ahead and did an enrollment file, and let's take a look at that. So the data collection is here. Type in your data collection. You're going to need to format column B and column D and column G, which is that date of birth. So we're going to go ahead and format that. Select Format Cells. Go to Custom. I just select this first 0, put my cursor back up there and delete, and type in MM/DD/YYYY. Select OK. Make sure you save it in a place that you can easily find it. Minimize. Select Upload File. Select Enrollments. And here you're going to see an unenrolled students by, and if you click that, you're going to see a student in district. So if you do it by student, this is for unenrolling a student. And this would be like for a partial file upload. So if you have 5 kids and you want to make sure that their enrollments are clean and not attached to any previous teacher, you would do it by student. If you did it by district in unenrolling, this would wipe out, again, all previous teacher-student association. It's not going to remove the data of any of the scores entered for the student. It will just minimize or take out the teacher that was any association with that student. But we're doing just an enrollment file. We're not doing unenrollment. Select your file, find exactly where you save that, select Upload. You see it's in processing status, refresh, and now you're going to see that it comes back with 3 additions. So that is how you want to do the bulk loader when you're uploading your teacher, student, and enrollment files.